So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and this is my first study vlog. So please see it and enjoy it. Let's get started. So guys, today I've actually wanted to wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning so that I can study more of my syllabus, but being a lazy person, I was not able to achieve that aim and I woke up at 8 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, 8 a.m. like usual days. So let us start our day by freshening ourselves up and by doing some exercises, because a healthy mind only resides in a healthy body. Yes, so daily exercise is very important. But first I wanted to show all of you my study room. That consists of a small table, a laptop and a veranda. And through this I can see that sky is very clear and today's weather is going to be very energetic and full of musty for me. So let's first brush our teeth and freshen ourselves, and then we are going to get ourselves into exercise mode. So yeah, let's go. So now I have brushed my teeth and I am first cleaning my desk up with my lenses and all the stuff and just placing them in the correct order as they ought to. So yeah, I have just cleared all the mess that I created on my desk, and now I am going to do exercise for about 30 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes. It's because doing exercise for 30 minutes gives your mind a healthy start and you're able to become productive for the whole day. And now I am tired, yes. So let's start our day. So now let us grab our study material and let's get started. But before starting our study, I just wanted to create a post for my Instagram which is related to motivation, and I wanted all of you guys to see it and give your views about it in the comments below. And I am also going to post it on Instagram. So yeah, tell me there also. Let's see it. So my post is created and let's see how it looks. It looks pretty nice. I'm happy with it. So now let's clear all the computer stuff and bring our study material of business studies. Yes. Guys, my weakest subject out of all the subjects in class 11th is BST only. So I study it every day in the morning for half an hour at least.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you, Maria right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling. Then nothing got it feel like a slim night. Hey, come on closer. Now I'm waiting for you, but don't hurry, oh slowly. Oh yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a way the twilight, my only, my bestie. You fall into my life. Let me if you want tonight. Little more shining star to the sky, looking high.
So guys, these are my notes that I have prepared for my business studies chapter, sources of business finance, by using some highlighters and sketch pens for highlighting and underlining important words to remember. So now my BST is done for the day. And now I am going out to have some fresh air and a break of 5 minutes. So, after this 5-minute break, I am again energized to sit for another session of study for about half an hour, and in this session I am going to study my computer science subject. Computer science subject is more about logical application than cramming. So for that I take help from YouTube videos to understand the logic behind a program and then again write it so that I can understand it and retain it in my memory for longer period of time. So these are the notes that I have prepared by taking help from my course book and YouTube lessons for the chapter data handling. So now I am through with my second session of studying and now I am going to have my breakfast. Yay! So guys, I was very keen to try this new transition. Let's see how it works. And I can say it worked pretty well, huh? Yeah, doing Zoom call famous beard style, yeah. So now guys, I'm going to tell you how to cut a coconut and drink water from it. So guys, आज हम सीखेंगे नारियल काटना। देखिए, ये है एक नारियल, एक बहुत ही साधारण सा मामूली सा आम सा नारियल, और ये है एक चाकू, आम चाकू। अब इसको यहाँ पे रखेंगे और आराम से घुमाएंगे, आराम से घुमाएंगे इसको, को घुमा दिया और अब ये बिल्कुल डीप चला गया। और अब जैसे ही हम इसको घुमाएंगे और इसको ये करेंगे और निकालेंगे तो टन टना 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 पानी दिख रहा है और सिंपल सा पी जाएंगे। After the coconut episode, I am back again to my computer screen so that I can create my YouTube channel art by using canva.com, which consists of a lot of templates which I can use to create it. And first of all, it's not a sponsored video, so do not take it seriously. So guys, this is how my channel art looks like. Please tell me in the comments down below what are your views about it. After this YouTube channel art, I am going to have my lunch that my mom prepared, which consists of a dal roti and cucumber along with rajma. And I like watching Dilse Foodie vlogs while eating my lunch a lot, and I am a big fan of Karan Dua. If Karan Dua is watching it, please consider subscribing to my channel too. So guys, now it's 4:30 p.m. in the evening, and now I am going to sit for another 1.5 hours so that I can complete my last task of the day, that is preparation of my notes of chapter data handling, by taking help from YouTube videos and from my reference book that I would like to suggest to all the students who are in class 11th or are going to class 12th or are currently in class 12th, is Preeti Arora Python. That is the best reference book that you can ever purchase in your life for computer science, for clarity and detailed explanation of every topic. So after I am done with all the study part of the day, I am going down to get a snack for myself as a reward that I have studied for 3 hours, and to get a walk also so that I can freshen up my mind and can get new and creative ideas for the creation of my next study vlog. If you liked my study vlog, please consider subscribing, like and comment also. And if I get a positive response on this video, I will write this in the next video. Till then, goodbye and stay safe, stay healthy.